Hey everybody, I'm Veljko and welcome to another Lexus IS250 video where I'll be doing some small changes to my front bumper, but it's gonna make the front end of this car a lot more aggressive and modern and overall better. Now the car does have the headlight eyebrows, the black emblem, the tinted fog lights. In my last video I also put spacers, but I think this is gonna be like a cherry on a cake when it comes to aggressiveness at the front, because I always thought the rear of my Lexus is more aggressive than the front. The front still looks kind of ordinary, so I think this will change that, hopefully. So I'll show you what that is. There are a lot of modern bumpers that you fit to this Lexus to make the Lexus look more modern, like the newer generation ISs. But because I'm located in Europe, I have to pay for shipping as well, and it's gonna cost me a lot. So I thought, what is the temporary solution? What small change I can add to make this front bumper more aggressive and more unique? So using Photoshop, I tried to black out some parts to see if putting a black wrap on some areas of the bumper will make it look better and more aggressive. And at one point, I tried to black out this part of the bumper, like where this line goes, and to follow it, and all the way here. In pictures, in Photoshop, it looked very good, so I already tried it. I put a glossy black here, and I really loved it, how it looked. Although I don't want a glossy wrap, because during day it's too shiny, so matte black is the way to go, and I already bought a matte black wrap from AliExpress for $5 and made the samples. There's 3 of them, one in the middle and one on each side. I think it's gonna look awesome, so let's try to install them. Wish me luck, because this is not an expensive wrap. I bought it on AliExpress for $5 or $6, but we'll see. I think for this area it's gonna be easy. All right, wish me luck. So I put like this to have an extra wrap here that I will tuck in below this grill plastic. Okay. Of course, I'm gonna put another wrap down here to not have any white at the bottom. So now it looks silly, but I'll do the part in the center. And it's all covered. You can't see the white paint anymore. And overall result, I'm very satisfied how it turned out to be. Now, before I show you the entire car, I want to first wash the car, and you can see how dirty it is. So I'll show you some night shots and some daytime shots, and you be the judge. As you can see in those scenes, the weather is not cooperating with me today, but I had to record the scenes to show you because it looks amazing. Let me know what you think of it. I think it makes the front of the car more aggressive and more modern. So for those of you who can't afford a modern bumper, then this $5 wrap install is gonna make your stock bumper a bit more aggressive and more modern, or not a bit. Like, I think when I first installed it, I looked at it, I'm like, wow, like it's like the feeling is like I put a totally different bumper. That's how big of a change I felt. I don't know about the rest of you. So of course wrapping that part is best on a white IS250s or 350s. So that's about it. Another small improvement for my IS250, and stay tuned for more. Take care.